stop whatever you're doing, because what you're about to see is not just a car. It's not even just a Lamborghini. This is a revolution dressed in carbon fiber. This is the Lamborghini Revuelto by Vorsteiner, and it will make your jaw hit the pavement faster than a V12 redline. Now, we know the Revuelto is already insane. It's Lamborghini's newest raging bull, a 1,001 horsepower hybrid V12 masterpiece that looks like it came straight from the year 3099. But Vorsteiner? Oh, Vorsteiner looked at this monster and said, "Let's make it even more ridiculous." Let's rewind for a second. Vorsteiner isn't just some aftermarket tuner shop. No. This is the house that Peter Nam built. A man so obsessed with precision, he once made exactly 103 carbon fiber kits for the E46 M3 as a tribute to a horsepower per liter stat. That's not tuning. That's art. That's madness. That's math, baby. And if that wasn't enough, this is the same guy behind Gunther Works, the company that reimagined classic 911S so intensely, astronauts probably felt underdressed. Yeah, that's serious. So what happens when that level of obsession meets the Revuelto? You get a 5-piece carbon fiber frenzy that turns heads, melts hearts, and probably alters gravity. Let's break it down. A wraparound front spoiler that adds downforce like a fighter jet hugging the tarmac, $6,995. A carbon hood that shaves weight and adds aggression, $11,995. Vented carbon fenders that scream function and fashion, $9,995. Side skirts that guide airflow like a samurai slicing air molecules, $9,495. And finally, a rear diffuser so aggressive, it might start fights at car meets, $14,995. Total damage? A cool $53,475. And that's before you even touch the wheels. Because of course, Vorsteiner didn't stop there. You've got 17 different wheel styles to choose from, with prices that climb from $12,380 all the way up to $14,180. But hey, if you've already dropped $608,000 on the Revuelto, what's another $68,000, right? Here's the kicker. Everything bolts onto the car with factory mounting points. No cutting, no welding, just pure reversible carbon insanity. Which means when it's time to sell your Lambo, you can strip it back to stock, no drama, no regrets. So, what do you get when you take Italian Fury and give it the California carbon treatment? You get a Lamborghini that looks like it broke out of Area 51, and then charged you 5 figures for the privilege. This isn't just tuning. This is an upgrade to your entire reality. The Revuelto by Vorsteiner isn't just a car. It's a carbon fiber war cry.